Welcome to Garvit's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make Sewai, aka Vermicelli.
Here are our ingredients: 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of rice vermicelli, 4 cups of 2% milk, water, teaspoon of garam masala, 2 bay leaves, and if you want a thicker consistency, you can use whole milk, and if you're health conscious, you can also use skim milk or 1% milk. And you can feel free to add dry fruits like cashews, pistachios, raisins, almonds, etc. after you're done.
The first step is to turn your stove up to high. And once your pan has heated up, you can add your ghee. Once your ghee has heated up, you can then add your vermicelli. And then give it a stir. And then fry it until it's golden brown. Once your vermicelli looks nice and golden, you can now add your milk. Once it boils, you can add your sugar and bay leaf. Now stir it. After that, lower your heat down to low. Now add your garam masala. And then cook it until it's nice and soft. After 10 minutes, our sweet vermicelli or sewai is ready to be served. Our sweet vermicelli is ready. It smells really good, and we eat this for dessert. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See ya.